Hey guys, Tim. It's been a little bit since I did an update from the tool library. I am on shift tonight, and we just got back this nice little setup here. So we got the compound miter saw, sliding miter saw, along with the porter cable compressor and a framing nailer. And everything performed like a champ, with the exception that the member who returned it mentioned that on the last cut, the very last cut they needed to do with the sliding miter, that it seized up. So it could be that it was just overheated, it's possible, but we're going to fire it up, see if we can figure out what's going wrong with this thing. Got some not so great news, guys. Getting a weird sound here. I'm gonna fire this up. Give it a listen. Alrighty, so we've wheeled her back in shop here, and the first thing we gotta do is take it out of the rotation. We gotta put it in maintenance mode in the system so that you know, it isn't showing up in searches, because I'm not comfortable to send this out until we've got a chance to take a look at it. We're looking for 1029. We just plug it in, just like that. All right, with that, we are now ready to crack that baby open and take a look to see if it's got a shop bearing. All right, we got the cover plate off. Belt looks pretty good. But when I do a little this, hear that? So far it's pretty accessible. So there is the brush. Now, when you tighten one of these on, you got to remember that it is reverse threaded, right? So I'm actually going to turn to the left to tighten it in. Alrighty, friends, so we did what we could here. We've taken it all apart. We've checked the belt tension. We have tightened up the bolt that holds the blade on there, and we've noticed that there might be a little bit of play developing in that. Besides that, we blasted out all of the sawdust and crap from inside of there. We opened up the brush containers here, and we made sure that there's nothing in between the brushes and the motor. It seems to be running pretty good. So the only thing left to do is just, you know, try it out, cut a few pieces of wood. So for that, I'm going to take her on back into the maker space where I can, you know, cut without getting sawdust all over the place. So why don't you join me? Alrighty guys, we got some pretty hard walnut here. Let's see if we can take a little chunk off of this.